Clarence, it's so good to get out.
You said it, B. I've been cooped up in that house too long. Really great to be getting out.
Woohoo! Good idea, taking out the Jeep. Can't wait for four-wheeling.
Who said anything about four-wheeling?
Yee-haw! Hope I don't get thrown out on some gnarly maneuver, Clarence. Say, why did you take the seatbelts out anyway?
I didn't. I said it's an old Jeep and doesn't have any.
Well, I don't care anyway. Gotta take chances to be a yahoo like me. Yahoo!
But, Bernice, we're not going four-wheeling. I never said that. We're going to get out once we get to the woods. We're going to go hiking.
You said that?
Well, no. I said, how would you like to get out? We can take the Jeep.
Oh, hiking. Yippee! I love to get out.
You know, it's dangerous sticking your head out like that. I really wish you would sit down.
Oh, jeez, Clarence. If I said you were no fun, would we still get to go hiking?
You've already said that, like, about 100 times. And I always say, I like being no fun.
You said that?
That's what I said.
Oh. Well, so I guess we still get to go hiking.
Yes, we do. But not until we get out of the Jeep. Here we are.
Oh boy, yahoo! Yeehaw! Whoopee whoopee woo! Can't wait to get out.